What's up, fellow traders? Welcome back to another day trading recap. So today I had a massive short on ticker symbol BIDU. In this video, I'm going to go exactly why I picked this stock as a short, potential short, and all the technical levels. So if you guys like these kind of videos, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. So BIDU is a Chinese stock, and it had a massive short squeeze the last few days. So you can see over here on BIDU, and it's similar to any other Chinese stock, right? Like Baba had the same thing, PDD had the same thing. So I had this massive sell-off, and then when it reached this around this $100 level, it had a massive short squeeze, right? It went from 100 all the way to 150. That's a 50% gain in what, a matter of a week. So that's definitely like overextended. The move is too big. So I was just looking for some kind of technical level where I can short. Why I like BIDU more than any other Chinese stock today is because I saw this beautiful shooting star candle the previous trading day. So you can see this candle and the distance between the lower part of this candle to some kind of moving average. There was enough distance for me to profit from as a day trader, right? So once I had my bias, all that's left to do, as always, is to pick some kind of technical level where you can short off of, right? So if you guys follow my channel, my favorite level is the previous day close right over here. And on top of that, we saw that the previous day open was right over here, and they had a nice little range in the post market on Friday. So anything around this area, I'm going to give it a shot for a short. And for the entry, I had to go to the lower time frames. So my first try, I was actually I FOMO'd a bit and I chased it a bit. So I got stopped out for a 1 hour loss. If you see over here, so it came up to this area of interest, which is this area over here. It came up, it started coming down. I wanted to get in over here, but I missed it. But once it came back and it started going back down, I went short. I kind of chased it if you look at it in hindsight, because ideally you want to be closer to this area to get into the short. But after that, what I saw on the 5-minute candle is, look at that, right over here, a nice reverse hammer or shooting star candle in the 5-minute. Very beautiful. So right over there, I saw that. I went short right over here. I think my stop was around this level over here, and the rest was history. So today I had a nice little ad on top of that. So you see over here, I had a nice little ad. Market was turning over at that time, so I had a nice little ad over here. So I was able to get a very nice win for all the way down over here. The stock did come back up, I think eventually later on. So let me see later on. Yeah, it did come back, and it did stop me out over here because I had an entry here and I had an entry here. So my average was around here, my break even was around here. So I had my stop at break even. It came back and it stopped me out, no problem. But I was so confident that this stock is not going anywhere today that I actually re-shorted it after. So if you look at that over here, I had another scalp over here. Let me try to zoom back in. Yeah, so I had another scalp over here for another 1 hour win. I lost 1 hour over here, but now I got back in and I had another, I think this is over 2 hour now. So I had multiple trades in this stock today. I had a short bias on this stock, and basically I was trying to be aggressive today and just trying to ride the wave down. Every chance that I had, I tried to add to my short, which is a little different from my typical style. But I was pretty confident today that this stock is not going to end up positive, right? So that's why I was looking for areas to add into the short. So there you go. That was the main trade. Overall, I was break even because I got chopped up a little bit on NIO. But that's the way it goes sometimes, right? So hope you guys liked the video. See you guys next time.